Is Mimir really the best quiz to earn crypto for free online, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and if you watched any of my other videos, you know that I love earning cryptos in different ways, and I recently came across this option and decided to test it for myself. And in this Mimir Quiz review, I'll give you an inside look, show exactly how it works, and show both the pros and the cons so you can find out if this is the right way for you to earn some extra money and crypto for free online. So I have now logged into Mimir Quiz, but before we go over how you can earn by playing these quite fun quiz games actually, then let's first talk a little bit about what Mimir is. And Mimir is a cryptocurrency, but it also has this platform where you can earn. But if we just jump to CoinMarketCap, you can see it is an actual cryptocurrency with a real value. So when you earn it, you can either hold it and wait for it to hopefully grow in value and then make more money like that, or you can exchange it for other cryptocurrencies. You can exchange it for regular currency, whatever you want. And Mimir is already on quite a lot of different exchanges. You can see the options here on CoinMarketCap also. So some of the big options are there also. So it is quite easy to both buy and sell if you want to do that. So it is an actual cryptocurrency. I just wanted to make that clear. But let's now then go over how you can earn it for free, potentially by playing this quiz game that Mimir Quiz offers. So when you go to the website and sign up, and it is free to sign up, and I will leave a link below so you can go there and easily sign up if you decide this is for you after having watched this video. And you can either use it on the website itself, and it also has an app so you can use it on your phone if you want to. So how it works is that they have these different quiz games and they are posted regularly. There are quite a few games every single day. When I first joined and tested it a few months ago, there were very few. You had to be very lucky to find one or be very patient. But now they have several every single day. And you can see today, as of recording this, I actually just played a game like 15 minutes ago because there was one at that time also, and then you can see the rest of them here. So it's not that you can just go and play whenever you want to. You have to do it at a certain time, and the time, sometimes it might be inconvenient because it's in the middle of the night where you live or something like that, but that's why they have many of these games throughout the day, so you can just jump in whenever it fits into your schedule. So it's a little bit inconvenient like that. You have to be present at a certain time because the quizzes are live, and they are, some of them free. You can very clearly see there are some of them that has an entry fee. This one would be 5 Mimir, and this would be the price, and that depends on how many participants there will be. And this one, for example, the price would be 500 Mimir, but it's also free to participate in. So you can always see whether you have to pay or whether it's free. So if you want to participate in some of the ones that has an entry fee, you can potentially also win more, but then of course you would have to invest a little bit. 5 Mimir, 10 Mimir as they cost, it's really not a lot, but of course you might end up losing it. So whether you want to do that or not, that's up to you. I would recommend you first try a few of the free quizzes to see if you really like what it has to offer. But then you can just either use whatever you win there, if you win, to buy entries, or you can transfer, you can buy Mimir. You can see up here, you can trade it or buy it, and then you can get it into your Mimir platform. You have a wallet here, a Mimir wallet, and then you can use it here to, for example, play these games that cost money, or you can take it out if you want to. But let's now take a look at how one of the quizzes work. I have recorded one of the times I have played it because I couldn't time it, so I would record live and talk at the same time. So I'll just pull that up on the screen now, here next to me, so you can see the game. And as you can see, you just sit there and wait a little bit and suddenly it starts. That's one thing you need to be aware of. You need to be present because there's some music playing, and then suddenly you just get the first question. There's no change in the music, no warning, so you just need to be present and sit and look at the screen. And as you maybe could see, I answered the first question wrong because I kind of got a little bit surprised and I was just starting recording and all that. And the thing is that if you answer wrong, you cannot change, because I realized that I actually knew that answer. So I realized that it was a different answer and tried to click, but you cannot do that. Once you have answered, that is the answer. That's just how it is. So that's something to be aware of. Also, as you can see, you get a question and then you have around 10 seconds or so, and you need to answer within that time. And then you will wait a little bit, and then you will get the right answer. And if it's red, it's because you answered wrong. If it's green, it's because you answered right. But you can only answer one question wrong, and then you are eliminated. So there's not a lot of room for mistake there. But if you just answer all of them right, you will win. And how much you will then win will depend how many winners there will be in that particular game. Also, how many questions there will be available, you can see that in the corner, and that will vary from quiz to quiz, and the quizzes also are a little bit different. Some of them are these true or false or odd one out you have to pick, or just general knowledge, or there can be all kind of different topics. So if you do not win one of them, then maybe a different type of quiz will be more for you. But in my opinion, it's not easy quizzes. You have to either be a little bit lucky or know quite a lot, and you do not have a lot of time to think. Like, that's the thing. Sometimes I answer wrong just because I don't have enough time to just kind of figure out, because you have to do it very fast, and you definitely do not have time to look it up if you think that you can just sit and use Google to find the answer. So that's just something to be aware of. But it is quite fun. It's very easy to do. And it's also, if you have a lot of knowledge about these different topics, then you can definitely win some nice money by participating in these quizzes. So once you've played, if you win, you will get your part of the prize into your wallet, and you will then be able to see it. Right now, I have not really been able to win any quizzes. I've been participating in quite a few, and the closest I was to get just one question wrong out of 6. So it was very close, and I actually knew that that was the one where I recorded. So that was like a real shame. I could have won some Mimir there, but I must say I find it quite fun. And then if you get the money, you can send it to another Mimir wallet if you want to hold your Mimir somewhere else, or you can keep it in here, or you can then send it to another wallet and exchange it for other cryptocurrencies if you want, or do whatever you want with Mimir as you would with any other cryptocurrency. So it's a very fun quiz in my opinion, and definitely can give you some nice rewards if you either are very lucky or very good at doing these quizzes. So overall, I think Mimir is a platform with potential. I can of course not guarantee how the value of the Mimir cryptocurrency will go. We'll have to wait and see. And then, that is how it is with cryptocurrencies. I just hope the best for it, because I do think that it is a kind of interesting project, and I do like the play to earn game show, this quiz they have. I think it is fun. There are some things that are not as user friendly as it could be. Of course, what is not so user friendly is that you have to do it live, but that does also add an extra aspect to it that I kind of do like. It's just not so convenient. But one thing I definitely hope they will improve is this, that when you sit there and wait, you just suddenly get the first question without any warning. I think it would be nice if they had like a countdown, and a different sound, so you kind of are made aware, like now we start in 10, 9, 8, and then you get it, because you sit there and then suddenly you just get the first question, and you miss the first few seconds, and then you just, it's too late, because if you get one question wrong, you're out. But if you are aware of that and you just pay attention, then in my opinion, the games are quite fun, and I'm maybe getting a little bit too addicted to it, to be honest. And I do like they also do have an app, because that does mean that you can do it whenever you're not in front of the computer, which makes it easier to fit into whenever they have these quizzes. But overall, I do like it. It's not something, of course, that will really make you rich, unless you're like, of course, really, really good, and unless Mimir then really explodes in value, then maybe you can make really good money. But it's not something you should do as a way to make a full-time income or anything like that. But I think it can be a very fun way to earn crypto for free. And out of all the different quizzes, I have tested free quizzes where you can earn either money or crypto. Then this is one of the best one that I have seen so far, as long as you of course just do it with the right expectations. And if you have tried it yourself, I would love to hear about your results, and if you have been able to win anything in the comments below. So just share your experiences there, and also if you have any questions, just feel free to ask, and I will personally reply to all questions. And if you want to sign up, I will also leave a link below so you can check that out. I will also leave some links to other free ways to earn cryptos where you can do it whenever it fits into your schedule if you think that sounds more like something for you. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.